That's it. Made it to Kuujjuaq. And yeah. Hey, bye.
Kuujjuaq it is.
We made it, but we got here and they are out of gas for the airplane. And then they found gas for the plane, but we were out walking around because we're not lazy, so we missed that one. And now we're stuck in Kuujjuaq for the night. So we're down the beach now, trying to not spot fish. Because heavens forbid we should actually see one. So yeah, hopefully we make it into the camp tomorrow.
Yeah.
Here we are. We finally got to the camp. We're all landed. Should I turn this the other way or what?
I don't know, probably. I have to edit
Anyway,
that down
there
some
he is.
square.
This is our cabin right here. I gotta show you because it's fucking pretty spectacular. It's like real nice. See on the outside. Goes in. I should have this sideways, I'm sure. And there's sort of like tables and clothes and a couch that's, I don't know where it came from.
Luxury, man. We got
This is apparently it's luxury. We got a stove, kinda. It looks like a stove. There's got heat coming out of it. Down the hallway, and there's one bunk here, in here, and then that goes back. Goes in here, down next to the shitter, and there's my room. And that's it. This is where we're getting next 3 months. There's my view. Beautiful view, actually. See the Wedge Hills. He knows where we're going in an hour or so. Well, the black flies are here waiting for us, that was for sure. Dad's getting carried away by the mosquitoes. Yeah, mosquitoes got Dad. Black flies aren't quite big enough to carry away a human, but the mosquitoes got no problem. All right, I gotta grab the line. Let me grab the line, no? Yep. Dude, it's a fucking dog. That is a fucking big fish. That's a big fish. So yeah, try to get him back if you can. Oh, oh. Just waking up, man. Here he goes. Oh, buddy, buddy, buddy. Yeah, keep working back. Keep walking the shoreline while you got a chance. You're not gonna have this chance forever. And keep on going if you can. That's a big old fish, Dad. You got yourself a beauty there, man. Let him go. We got all day. If you'll stay up above that tongue, that'd be deadly. Yeah.
Man, they take nice, eh?
Don't they?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, these are undisturbed fish, right?
Yeah.
If we get up into the calm,
like it's hard to net him here. Like he's way off. There's no way I'm getting him this early. There we go. Now we're up in the fucking zone. There's no way he's coming in this fucking early. Sometimes with fish dance. Usually they'll stay off him.
Come on, baby.
No way. There he goes again. Jesus, buddy. What a fucking dog.
What a size of a fish, jeepers weepers.
Alrighty,
This
man.
is what it's all about.
It really
This
is.
is what you're doing it for. Well, that's some fresh too, man.
He is.
Holy
He's
moly, how fresh he is.
silver bullet, man.
Holy moly. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, the dog.
Angle is back towards you. Ever put him back in the water? So you take him out, sort of lean him so that his side is facing up towards the sky just a little bit.
So take him out, flip him over this way.
Sort of lean him towards you like this.
Okay.
Like, yeah. Oh, that's the fucking shot. Oh, man. What a dog. Alrighty, man. Whenever you're done with your experience.
Oh, man.
So let him rest for sure. I'm gonna try to get a rough measurement off the net so that we can see how heavy he actually is. So from there,
Just to the end
2
of
inches
the stick.
past that. Yeah.
Oh, baby. That was
Fucking
incredible.
deadly, man. Way to go.
Okay, your turn.
Yeah. Sleeping in the hoodie, man, it does. It makes for a really comfortable sleep.
Where you going? What are you at today?
I don't actually know where I'm truly going.
What?
Going over there, about 20 minutes that way.
And
Is
what
that
kind-
way? Okay, 20 minutes that way.
You going on the float plane?
In the float plane? Yeah, I think it's float plane. A twin otter or a turbo otter float plane.
And
which is
who's going to be driving it? Maybe
Johnny May. Well, it's
Johnny
Johnny May's
May.
plane.
it's Johnny May's plane.
It's
Yeah,
Johnny
so
May's plane.
that's close.
It's close enough.
It is.
Close
If
enough.
Johnny May is with it, that'll be.
There's a pretty good chance he will be. He does a lot of his own flights.
And we're definitely getting the pictures with him.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, no doubt. Look at the day out there today. Oh, still not a gust of wind. And there's trout down there, turning over everywhere. Hard to work around here.
Guide life. So the audio is shot on this clip for some reason. We just had to grab this boat. This is an old abandoned caribou camp. We also had to grab the canoe, but it wouldn't fit. On and off.
There's his nibs. Come back. Come on. Here we go, brother. Yeah.
This is the most technology we're going to see for the next while.
Harry, load of cargo, bikes, ladders, air, wheels, and attitude. Yeah. Good country.
Made it safe and sound, man.
Made safe and sound.
That's it. Time to set up camp, do some fishing.
Oh, there's only fish down in them waters.